There really is no limit to the wizardry, but sometimes there is a limit. Welcome, I'm Jamie, the Restoration Wizard.
My name is Kai, and I'm 23 this year, and I do a bit of air conditioning, and this is the table.
Kai, welcome.
Thank you.
Now tell me about what you've brought in today.
So the table is a table I bought from a very nice guy on Facebook Market. It's a Tendo Moko table made in Japan. It's got a very interesting veneer design. I think the table was designed back in the 1950s or the 70s. So I bought the table back, attempted a restoration myself.
You attempted the wizardry.
Yeah, I did. It was didn't work out well.
From 0 to 10, 10 being wizard.
Yeah.
How do you think your restoration wizardry skills are?
I think it was supposed to be a 10, but we did a -1.
-1? Didn't register.
Yeah, didn't register.
Negative,
Didn't work out well.
negative wizardry.
Yeah.
Let's take a look at this thing. Oh! Yeah, this is, okay. And so this was the wizardry. This is what you did.
Yeah.
You did this.
Yeah.
This thing looks cursed.
It's got a bit of special patina to it.
It does, yeah. Special.
Special.
Definitely,
Yeah.
definitely special.
Restoration Wizard.
Firstly, the one thing that worries me is to see if we've gone through the veneers here.
Yep.
I don't know if we have. I think this is like a mixed match stain. So hopefully we can work some magic. We can remove this wrongdoing and maybe we can, you know, we can cast some better spells. Do you want these cool glasses? This is gonna be satisfying.
Restoration Wizard.
They're all
Start coming up.
starting to come up. So we'll just let the chemical
Work.
work for a little bit.
Not the chemical, the magic.
The magic.
Yeah.
Ooh, veneer looks good. See this? That looks pretty good. There might be wizardry here after all. Amazing.
Restoration Wizard.
Removing the sadness.
The guy who sold me the table, his name's Joshua. I think he got it in Hokkaido.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so flew all the way from Japan, the table.
Wow.
Yeah.
And then you went and did this.
Yep. To it.
Great, we can get this back up on the bench and we'll go to town on the legs,
Yep.
which you're going to have to fly solo on
Yep.
because the wizard needs a nap.
Yep.
It's the one and only Restoration Wizard.
More laborious than magic. Good. Good. Yes, Kai. Good. Yes. This isn't very wizardry behaviour, but I don't know how, if this will come out. It's clearly had like a, you know, some sort of thing, like a square little tea caddy or something on it.
Yep, tea tray.
Tea tray on it, and I don't know how we're going to get it out, so we'll try to bleach it,
Yep.
but who knows. There really is no limit to the wizardry, but sometimes there is like a limit. This is oxalic acid, the least bleachy of bleachy approaches. This is a sugar soap. It'll bleed the timber, so it'll bleed it of its tannins, and we'll hit it with the bleach, and hopefully it draws a little bit more out. Just extinguishing this stain. And if not, you've pushed me to the edges of my abilities. Insanity.
All right.
Okay. I was going to let you hit this with the hairdryer. Can I trust you with the hairdryer?
Yeah.
Just
Dry my hair every day. Drying up.
perfect. Good. You keep going, Kai.
I keep
Don't
going?
you dare stop.
Okay.
We're getting so close.
Do I dry this too?
Don't touch that.
Yeah.
We're getting so close. This won't dry on you. This is dried under a light, so you can just keep going.
This is very, very pleasing, very satisfying to do.
It's the best part. Putting the skin on is the best part. Okay, breakfast done.
Yep. Oh yeah. Sorry.
Go for it.
哎 ，Jordan 你好。
Outrageous. I mean, I should just put this in. I just put this in the bin.
哦，对对对，不好意思啊，我现在打电话问一下，不好意
The
思，我刚
lack
没
of
看到你的。
respect. I'm impressed. I'm impressed with myself. Kai,
Yes.
after today, do you feel like a wizard?
I wish I can become one.
Well, Kai, we've got a news for you, buddy.
Oh wow.
After today, we think that you deserve this.
Yep.
It's a great honour. You've done so well today. Official wizard apprentice status. Kai was really good. I mean, eventually he got there. What he brought in initially was awful. His first attempt was terrible. But looking at it now, he's done an amazing job. It looks really good. I'm very proud of him. Thank you, Kai.
A lot more fun than I expected. Very happy with the work. Thank you, Restoration Wizard.